Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw another kaiju from the Godzilla the Series show. And today I'm going to show you guys how to draw Giant Turtle. Now, this one is really cool and he has a lot of detail on him, so I'm really hoping this turns out good. Now, he's going to be pretty big, so we want to leave a lot of room on our paper, so we're going to have to draw some parts a little bit smaller. First thing is we want to start with the head. So we're going to start over here. And you just want to begin by making a little line that's just, or a little circle, I should say, that just kind of curves around like this. Then I'm going to make a little line above it like that. Right here, I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves around. And it's going to come up here. And then I'm just going to make a little line that goes up. And then another one here, and I'm going to add 3 little bumps onto here. Almost kind of looks like a Ninja Turtle mask a little bit. Then right here, you're going to make a little line that goes down. Little line that kind of curves out, and then it's going to come up and go right back up to here. Then I'm going to add a little line here, and then you're going to add another little line over here for the nostrils. Then this line is just going to kind of curve around up here. He's got a lot of little details on his face. Then make a line that goes over and then comes right to here. Now right here, we're going to make a line that just kind of curves up and then it's going to come down. And then another one right here that just goes up and then comes down. Starting here, we're going to draw the mouth. And we're just going to make a line that just kind of goes down, and then it's going to kind of curve up here. And then it's going to go out. Make a line that just kind of curves down for the open mouth. Little line down, and then we're going to add a curved line here. He's going to have some really big teeth right in here. Little curved line here. We're going to add another one up here. A little curved line. Line that goes to here, and then a line that goes down, and then kind of curves up. Then it's just going to come to here. We're going to add a couple little spikes on there. And then we're just going to make a line that just kind of comes around here for the head. Now he has a really small tongue in here, so we're just going to make a little line like this for the tongue. Little line that kind of curves around here. Another little line right there. And then he's just going to have a few teeth in here, not too many. Nice little curved line here that's just going to come back, and then just add a couple little quick lines in there. And you can add some from the bottom too. Now, up here, we're just going to add a couple little spikes. Then you're going to make a nice line that goes up and down for the neck. One more right here. And then one right there. Down here, he's going to have a couple quick little spikes. Little line that goes down and then comes up to here. Then starting here, just draw a nice little line that curves down. So the next part, we're just going to kind of make some kind of triangle V shapes all the way around to here. And we're going to bring them to about there. Then, starting up here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. It's just going to kind of come down. It's going to go over and down. And we're just going to kind of make these little kind of plates up here. So there's really no right or wrong way to do these. You just want to kind of connect them and just kind of make different little curved lines all the way around here. Almost so they look like little rocks. Now up here, we're going to make a little line. It's just going to go up and then kind of come down to a point. You want to do another one up here. We're going to make a really tall one at the top. And then another really big one back here. Then they're going to slowly get a little bit smaller. And then we'll add another one here. And then I'm actually going to bring this kind of little edge of the shell out and then just connect it to there. Now, inside of here, we're going to add some more spikes. So I'm going to add one right here, a small one here, a big one here, and then a couple more right in here, just to kind of fill it up. Now, starting here, just make a line that's just going to kind of curve around, and it's going to come to here. Another little line that's going to curve to here, and then a little line down. Then I'm just going to add another little line that comes down here. Right here, add a little curved line. We'll just connect this to here. And we're going to draw the legs. So you just want to make a couple little curved lines. And for his foot, draw a line that goes out and comes back. Another one that goes out and comes back. One right here, and then one here. And then his legs are kind of pretty short and fat, so we're just going to kind of add a couple little curved lines, and then we're just going to run it right into the shell. We're going to make a couple more kind of curved lines here. We're going to add another leg here. Add a couple little curved lines for some wrinkles. Little line that just kind of curves around for some toes. Another one here, and then one right there. And then a couple little lines up here. We're going to add a few kind of curved lines for that bottom of the shell. And then just add another line here. Little curved line. And then we're going to add the leg here. It's just going to go down and in. Down around. And then this foot's going to be kind of facing the other direction. So we're just going to add a couple little toes onto here. A couple little wrinkle lines. It's going to go up, and we'll just add a couple more little lines in here. Now, for the tail is almost kind of like something you'd see on an ankylosaurus. So I'm going to add just another little line here. And I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to kind of curve around to here. And then I'm going to start here. We're going to go up, kind of jump around the spike. Little line that goes out. It's going to come back. And we're just going to curve this around here. Then I'm just going to add a big kind of circle shape on here. And a big kind of broken line going down the edge. With a couple of little curved lines here. And a couple over here. Now for the tail, I'm just going to make a line that goes down and it's going to kind of curve up. And I'm just going to repeat this right around here. To kind of give it like an armor-plated look on the back. So we're just going to kind of go right around here with this. And here's our basic drawing of the giant turtle. Now, we want to come in and add the details, and there are a lot of them. So I'm going to move a little bit faster through this part. So if I go too fast, just make sure to hit the pause button. So let's begin on the face. We don't have too many things left, but we're just going to add a couple little kind of extra lines on here. We're going to give him kind of like a squarish oval pupil. A couple little detail lines on the tongue. A couple little lines here, and I'm just going to put some extra little bumps on his head too. Add a couple little extra lines over here. there's going to be a couple curved lines that just come down here, just to show a little bit difference in some colors with a few little lines. We're going to add some extra little lines here. And I'm just going to put some kind of little curved broken lines right around here on this kind of bottom part of the shell. There's going to be some little extra lines kind of coming around here just to kind of help add, that kind of wrinkled look to his feet and legs. We're going to add some more over here. I'm going to color in just some little toes on here, or I should say some little claws on his feet. Just small little ones, just kind of color them in. Then you can do the same thing over here. I'm going to come in and add just a few extra little lines in here. Just some extra little details all over just to give it a little bit more of like a realistic look. He's got lots of wrinkles. He's supposed to be really old. Kind of put some extra ones here. A few more over here. And then we're just going to put a couple more over around here. It's going to have a couple little spikes coming out here. And then a couple more around here. He's also going to have a few spikes on his tail as well. So we'll just add a couple there, a few little lines around here just for some details. Now, the shell is going to be the trickiest part because there are a lot of details onto here. So we want to make these things look like they're kind of rounded. So the trick to do that is you're just going to kind of add some broken little curved lines around here. And we're just going to kind of add all these around. And you can kind of see I'm just doing them on both sides. And I'm just kind of putting them on the top right now. I'm not doing the entire thing. Well, I should say I'm not doing the bottom of them. I'm just going to kind of do these all the way around. And you'll see why, because we're going to do something different to the bottom just to kind of help us give it kind of like a roundish look. So we're just going to kind of add these little details on here first. Then when we come around here, I'm going to make just some kind of broken little circle lines around each one. And this just kind of helps show where each spike is coming out of the body or the shell. And then I'm just going to kind of add almost like a pentagon type shape around them. I don't want it to be round. I kind of want it to have some corners. So that's why I'm kind of making these lines a little bit more connected. And I'm not going with such a round shape on here. I'm going to fill in a few little lines kind of around here. And then over here, I want to add some details onto this leg. I'm going to add some wrinkles here, kind of where the knee would be. Some extra little lines kind of around here, some on the toes. Some little lines around here. And just some extra details there. And there you go. There is your drawing of Giant Turtle from Godzilla the Series. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.